Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play old versions of 7 Days to Die. It's a simple process that lets you dive back into your favorite past builds of the game. You won't need any complicated software or advanced technical skills. This easy method uses Steam's own features, allowing you to quickly switch between different game versions. Get ready to experience the nostalgia of earlier alphas and enjoy the unique features they offered. To begin, launch your Steam client and head over to your extensive game library. Once there, scroll through your collection until you find 7 Days to Die. This is the first crucial step in accessing older versions. With your mouse, simply right-click on the game's title. A small menu will pop up, and you'll want to select the Properties option, usually found near the bottom of that list. This opens a new window with several tabs. Inside the Properties window, look for the Betas tab and click on it. This tab is where Steam manages different game builds. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Beta Participation. Click this menu to reveal a list of available older versions, often labeled by their alpha numbers. Choose the specific version you wish to play. Steam will then automatically begin downloading the selected game files, which could take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once Steam finishes downloading your chosen version, you can typically launch the game directly from your Steam library as usual. However, for some very old versions, you might need to navigate to the game's installation folder and launch the 7day-to-die.exe file directly. Keep in mind that Easy Anti-Cheat might not be compatible with these older builds. Now, you're all set to enjoy the distinct gameplay and features of your selected classic version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.